go. Walking tour. You know, Saint Croix. We downtown with it. That's what's up. Okay. I don't know where the museum is, but I'm walking. Okay. I might sell ass. The next local I see. Kind of off the few blocks. But that's the journey. The museum. That is the journey. Let's see. That's the next local. Okay, I see Victoria House. I don't know what this is about. I don't think. Let's see. In an event venue. Okay, don't need that. Somebody here. Tell me something. Oh, that's Fredericksted Mall. Okay. Here's the mall. Coming up. Hey, excuse me, sir. Do you know where the museum is? Right here. Right next to it. Oh, right next to it. Oh, thank you. Finally, please. Thank you. Finally found the museum somewhere. Alright, guys. I am in Saint Croix, headed to the museum. That's the journey. A lot of shops, cloudy day type situation. So look at that chicken. All that stuff. Saint Croix, part of U.S. Virgin Islands. I think this is a museum, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask a local. So, little baby chickens. That's the real size of a chicken right there. Baby chicks. Yeah, it's just a little weird. Hello. Excuse me, do you know where the museum is? The museum?
What is it?
Do you know where it's at? I'm trying to figure out where it's at.
Huh?
You understand?
Juliana, mira a ver qué él dice, que él habla al paso y yo salgo.
Fredericksted
You're sleeping.
Museum? Oh. Where?
Oh, sleeping.
Oh. Okay. English? No?
No.
Oh, Espanol.
Yes.
Oh, where are you guys from?
Santo Domingo.
Oh, we were just in Puerto Plata.
Yes?
Yeah, what are you guys doing here?
When? Today?
2 days ago.
Yes?
Mm-hmm.
I like it?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. So, but do you know where the museum is or no? No. Okay, thank you, thank you. Alright. That was a fail. Yeah. So, yeah. Hopefully. Okay, that's where the beach is. Yep, museum. I don't know how to get there. Let me try to find somebody. museum. So I'm gonna see how this goes.